अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ट्वेल्थ क्लास के लिए हमने लिया है बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से, दैट इज़ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट। ये हमारा नया चैप्टर है, नाइन्थ चैप्टर है। तो आज हम इसी को डिस्कस करेंगे। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, इसकी इंट्रोडक्शन, इसकी मीनिंग, इसका कॉन्सेप्ट, इसकी डेफिनेशंस एंड सो ऑन। तो इसी को हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ मीन बाय फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट? द मेन एम ऑफ एनी बिजनेस इज टू अर्न प्रॉफिट by selling goods and services. In order to achieve this goal, finance is required. Therefore, finance is the soul of any business. Thus, the proper management of finance is essential for the success in business. Meaning of business finance: all money and credit required for carrying out business activities is called business finance. Finance is required at every stage and in all activities of the business. It is required to establish, to run, to modernize, to acquire assets, to expand, etc. Thus, availability of sufficient funds is very essential for the growth and survival of the business. फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उसके बारे में हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट इज दैट मैनेजरियल एक्टिविटी विच इज कंसर्नड विद द प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग ऑफ द फर्म's फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज। In operational terms, it is concerned with management of flow of funds and involves decisions relating to procurement of funds, that is investment of funds in long term and short term assets and distribution of earnings among owners. Financial management is concerned with efficient acquisition and usage of finance. Efficient acquisition or procurement of funds includes identifying and comparing the different available sources of funds in terms of their costs and associated risks. Similarly, the funds so acquired should be invested in such a manner that the return from the investment is more than the cost incurred in obtaining the funds. Financial management aims at reducing the cost of acquiring funds, keeping the risk under control, ensuring availability of funds whenever needed, and effective investment of such funds without any wastage. यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन दी है J.L. मैसी ने। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट इज द operational activity of a business that is responsible for obtaining and effective utilizing the funds necessary for efficient operations. और एक डेफिनेशन है वो हार्वर्ड एंड ओप्टन ने दी है। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट इन्वॉल्व्स द application of general management principles to a particular financial operation. हाँ, यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंस और रोल भी है फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का, तो इसको भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। Financial management affects all the financial activities of a business and plays important role. Some of the important areas which are affected by financial management are as First one, that is size and composition of fixed assets of business. Financial management decisions have a great impact on the size and composition of fixed assets of a business concerned. For example, a decision to invest a sum of rupees 50 crores in fixed assets would increase the size of fixed assets by this amount. Second one, that is current assets and their breakup into cash, inventories and receivables. Financial management decisions such as receivables management, inventory management, etc. affect the composition of current assets as well. With increasing investment in current assets, there is simultaneous increase in the requirements of working capital too, thus influencing the composition of current assets further. Long term and short term financing to be used. The decisions regarding long term and short term financing also come under financial management. An organization which wants more cash in its hand would raise the funds on long term basis and vice versa. Assuming that cost of current liabilities is less than cost of long term liabilities, there remains a choice between liquidity and profitability. Fourth one is, that is breakup of long term financing into debt, equity, etc. The decision regarding obtaining the long term finance either through debts or equity is also a part of financial management decision. The proportion of debt, equity, share capital, preference share capital is affected by financing decision, which is a part of financial management. Last one is, that is items in profit and loss account. If the amount of debts in business is very high, it implies high payment of interest. Similarly, high equity means increase in payment of dividends. Similarly, almost all items of profit and loss account of the business are affected by capital budgeting decisions regarding expansion of business, etc. Thus, we can say that overall financial health of the business depends on the equality of its financial management. Good financial management aims at obtaining the funds at a lower cost and using them in the most profitable activities. Thanks.